Hello everyone, my name is Nino and I'm the UX designer here at Greyson Enterprises. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel for more contents like this and tips for building your brand. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Today's video is all about changing your font on Squarespace, and so without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I already have a template right in front of me, and this is going to be the template used to walk you through changing your fonts. So to edit your fonts, we're going to go ahead and select on edit, and then from there you're going to go ahead and select on site style icon. So this would be this paintbrush that is right here at the upper right corner. From here, select fonts, and this is where you get to choose a font pack. This comes with sans serif, serif, and a mixture of the two. So setting the font base or the base size or the font size will scale all fonts across the site relative to this size. So right now we have it at 16 pixels. If I go ahead and lower it, you can see that it gets smaller, and this is changes all across the site. Let's go ahead and bring this back up to 16. If you would like to make some changes to a specific font, then you will go ahead and select the text style and then family. So for my example, I'm going to go ahead and select educators are innovators. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and select family. And this is where you can update the font family, or you can go ahead and browse through all the fonts. You can also go ahead and click on any text on the page preview, and this will automatically bring up that specific font option as well. And then from the drop down menu, you can go ahead and choose your font style. You can also style your font elements, like your weight. We have it right now set at 300. The higher the number goes, the thicker and bolder your font will be. So if I go ahead and put it at 700, you can see that is very bold. Let's go ahead and put that back at 300. You also have your line height. We have it set right now to 1.8 EM. But if I was to move this slider all the way over to the right, you can see that there's spaces in between the sentences. And if I move it to my left, you can see that the spaces are decreasing. Let's go ahead and put that back at 1.8. You have your letter spacing. If I go ahead and move the slider over to the right, you can see that the spaces decreases and each letter. And if I move this over to the left, then it decreases. Let's go ahead and move this back to 0.03. And then you also have your text transform. So it's currently set at none. If I click on the drop down menu, I click on uppercase, you can see that all of this is in capital letters. If I click on lowercase, you can see that it's all lowercases. And if I click on capitalize, you can see that the first letter of every word is capitalized. Let's go ahead and put that back to none. And then when you are done making changes to your website, please make sure to click save so that we can apply all your changes and that you don't lose any of your progress. And that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you find this video really helpful, or if you would like me to do another how-to tutorial. If you're still having trouble with changing your fonts, or if you have any other questions in regards to Squarespace or just setting up your website in general, please do not hesitate to reach out. Book a discovery call with Greyson Enterprises on our website at 𝒂𝒂𝒄𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Thank you as always. My name is Nino, and see you next time.